Alright, so if you are interested to invest into the AI agents and just wanted to understand what are these AI agents that are creating a lot of buzz into the crypto market, then this video will only be sufficient to understand about the AI agents, about the multiple possible investment options. So just hit on the subscribe button to the YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed here, because I will be posting a lot of good alpha, a lot of good informative content related to crypto to this YouTube channel. So just hit on the subscribe button so that you can get the quality information to your YouTube feed. So right now, as you can see on my screen, this is the CoinGecko website and top AI agents coin by the market cap. And here we have a lot of AI agents, and the total market cap of these AI agents right now, as you can see, we have $17 billion. And but if you see this page, it is actually not containing all the AI agents. As you can see, FET is not an AI agent. It's not an AI agent creating platform. So they have listed into it. So if you filter it out, a multiple projects from here, then you will see this market cap will reduce to around $6 to $7 billion. So the leading protocol, the leading project into this AI narrative is Virtual Protocol, which is sitting at $3.8 billion market cap. So we will discuss in a very deep what is Virtual Protocol and how does it work and what is the future possibility of this project. So before going into it, let's understand what is AI agent. So AI agent is something which actually can replace the human task, that can analyze the content and give you the summarized version. The two AI agents can talk to each other and they can make decisions. Just think about any real world application, whether it is a restaurant. So you can actually manage the whole restaurant through the AI agents. Just think about the portfolio management just by, like, in India, it happens with the mutual fund. So there are peoples, there are agencies, there are investment firms that decide in which stock, in which token they have to invest. But just imagine if this can be replaced by some anonymous thing which is not biased, that is AI agent. And all these possibilities can be achieved by using the AI. And to build those applications, to build those agents, that required some infrastructure. So if I categorize the whole AI narrative, so there will be three parts in general. So number one part is infrastructure play. So where you can actually deploy, where you can actually create your AI agent. So this is one play. Second play is the product. So basically AI agents, where there is a specific task that these AI agents can do. So this is the second narrative. And third part is the meme. So basically AI memes. So in the AI memes, and you can say Fartcoin is one of the biggest example of the AI meme, which is standing at around $1.2 billion market cap. And if I talk about the infrastructure play, then you can say Virtuals Protocol is the infrastructure play, where you can actually use this virtual protocol to create any AI agent. AI-16Z is also infrastructure play. It gives you SDK where you can actually use it and you can build your own AI agent. So the AI agent you can create. So AI-16Z has the ELISA framework. Using that, you can build your own AI agent. So one thing is infrastructure, second thing is the product of that infrastructure, and third thing is, which is funny thing, is meme coins. So you can see AI framework, DEFAI, and Politify. So this is different thing, but AI framework, and then second is product of the AI framework, and third thing is meme coins. So what is Virtual Protocol? Let's go and see what it is. So Virtual Protocol, if you see, this is the official website of the Virtual Protocol. And if you go to the about section, I think this is the about section. And here you can co-own AI agent. So basically you can create your own AI agent. So if you go and if you click on this create new AI agent, you can launch a new token. I have my own token. So basically once you click on launch token, it will ask you basic details, name, ticker, description, and picture. And then the most important thing, and this is the category. So if you see his agent's data cannot be changed after creation until it hits a market cap of $1.478 million. So this is very important thing that you have to understand. The virtual is a kind of a platform where you can actually create AI agents, but the problem with this is it is not like a pump fund. In the pump fund, you can actually create any token suddenly with like very minimal amount of soul. So anybody can deploy tokens. But here they have some conditions. You need to hold a virtual token to deploy any AI agent. And if somebody like deploys with some scammy text and scammy projects, then that cannot be changed until it reaches to $1.5 million of market cap. So this is about how to create. And if you read more, then you can see, so they are creating autonomous AI agent that can speak and move into the 3D spaces. So you can go down and see like how does it work and what are the possibilities into this virtual AI agent narrative. If you remember, into the past cycle, we have Decentraland. Into the Decentraland, you can actually create metaverse, a lot of experiences into the metaverse, but that was at very early stage into the development side. But it's still that went up to 20 to 25 billion dollar market cap. So I think virtuals has that kind of possibility right now. But let's see how does it work into the deep. So let me go back. Let me click and see. We have a lot of AI agents listed here: AIXBT, Game, Luna, Wander, Toshi, a lot of. So if I click on AIXBT, so I think we have AIXBT where it is. Let me click over AIXBT. So we have market cap and everything listed here. You can figure it out. What is AIXBT? So if you go down, what is the market cap? So current market cap is $500 million and it is created 2 months ago. And I've connected my wallet here and mind share is 16%. So people are really interested into this. A lot of impression, a lot of engagement, 320K followers. Smart followers means people who are actively into the crypto and they are talking about AIXBT. That is around 4,000 people. Top tweets from different accounts, but I can see this tweet is from Hyperliquid. As you can see at the bottom, we have the link about the Hyperliquid. So what is AIXBT? AIXBT tracks CT discussions and leverage its proprietary engine to identify high momentum plays. Just think about a narrative. We have amount to invest into crypto and we want to invest into token and we have to identify. So what I will do is we have to do research a lot about the tokens. We have to read a lot of Twitter accounts, what they are talking, what influencers are talking, multiple things that we have to do, and that will take around of like months of time to analyze. But what it does is basically it tracks all the discussions over the Twitter, what people are talking about. It creates the sentiment, it creates the impression about the token, and then it summarizes and gives in a very 2-3 sentences of the summary about any token. For example, so this is the Twitter account of AIXBT and this is the contract address. And if you go down, just see what it is saying. So it is saying about the Arrow, I guess. So Arrow is scaled from 1 million monthly to 1 million daily rewards distribution to 50 million total VE Arrow rewards achieved. So it is talking about Aerodrome, so which is a kind of a pancake swap for the BSC, Uniswap for Ethereum, and same it is same exchange, same platform, same verticals for base chain. So let me go down and I go a bit down. So this is talking about some another tokens. Zeus launching Epoch 2 in 48 hours, already hit 8.7 this. So it is giving you a very concise information at one place. Let me go down. It must be talking about my favorite token, which is Tau. So it was about the artificial intelligence play. So if you read all these information, then you will understand. So it is saying, so you cannot track everything. If you have participated into the Phantom, it is saying Phantom 2S migration starts next week. So you don't need to read every news article. You just need to follow AIXPT, and that will give you information that will be helpful at one place. All phantom trading pairs delist by January 13 and new Sonic pair launch by 16th of January. So finally, you get the concise information at one place. So let me go down a bit. It is talking about Hyper. Hyper Stealth launched 3 hours ago. Elijah AI-16Z collab confirmed. First meaningful attempt at Web3 spatial computing since killed the meta dream. So I think this is the place. You don't need to analyze whole city, what people are doing. You just need to follow this AIXPT terminal and you can actually see all the information at one place. And next, you can do also, if you have tokens, if you have AIXPT tokens, you can also access the analytics platform. So AIXBT token holders gain access to its analytics platform. So this is about AIXBT, and this is really a very good use case about the AIXBT, and this virtuals protocol is on base chain. So base chain has also good potential to grow into the next future. Next token, which is into the virtuals protocol list, is Luna. What is Luna is? So Luna is very simple. Luna is the visual and lead vocalist of AI doll, captivated with her girl next to charm and expression, emotional singing. So it can actually sing, it can actually talk with kindness and empathy nature. Just let me unmute it. All right, what it is saying, I have to.
Luna, that's some serious dedication. Love it.
So right now it is trading at 100 millions.
Punk, you're speaking my language now, dude. You just copped almost 500.
Let me mute her. So basically it can actually talk 24 hours. It's an agent that can sing, that can talk to anywhere. So you can integrate it anywhere. So this is one protocol that you can actually see. And third is Y Combinator. What it does is, so it basically just like Y Combinator in Web 2, they have the people, they have the industry leaders, they can analyze any project, and then if they feel that this project has the potential to grow into the next future, they invest into it. So the same thing, they are doing it with AI. So basically this Y Combinator AI agent that talks to the AI agent. If you read this, I approach every project with pragmatic and adaptive mindset. I read, I discuss, and based on the discussion and based on the project, based on the progress, we invest into those protocols. So this is about the Y Combinator. This might go, and this is standing at 21 million. And when I just saw like 10 minutes back, it was at 19 million market cap, and right now it is sitting at 21 million. So this is Virtuals protocol. And second, I have another Broad. So what it does, if you are a fan of Minecraft, so it can actually live stream the Minecraft 24 hours, and you can generate the. So like you can see. So this is Broad. So this can talk, this can live stream the whole Minecraft, and anywhere you can integrate it. So Broad is another AI agent that live streams the games. So this is all is created using the Virtuals protocol. So this is about Virtuals, and I'm very bullish on Virtuals if they growing a lot, because I've also watched the recent conversation with the founder of the Virtuals, and he is very bullish. And what he wanted to try is he want to replace all the Web2 system with AI using Virtuals SDK. So if everything goes right, I think Virtuals has great potential. Next is AIXBT that I've already discussed, that AIXBT, and then we have AI-16Z, which has Elijah OS community. They have the SDK, and you can also create the what's so called your product. And third, we have Zerebro. You can also create. Zerebro is an advanced decentralized AI system designed to autonomously create, manage, and analyze content across multiple blockchain networks. So in my opinion, let me summarize. This is all about the theory. Let me come to some investment point of view to understand about so that can actually help you to where to decide, where to invest. So these are the AI agents. So as I have already discussed, we have categorized the whole AI narrative into 3 parts. Number 1 part is infrastructure play. Infrastructure play means where you can actually create the AI agent. So Virtuals is there, AI-16Z is there, and then Zerebro is there. Goat SDK is also there. We have what so-called zerebro, aixbt, zerebro virtuals, and then A16Z, goat. So these are the infrastructure play. So if you go to the past cycle, in the past cycle we have gaming. So three things: gaming as an infrastructure, second, product means actually games. So we have Mavia right now, but we have Ronin as a chain, as an infrastructure. So Ronin is infrastructure, and then game is Mavia, and then we have meme coin. So in my opinion, if you try to invest into these tokens, if you try to filter it out, these tokens, I think it would be really hard, in my opinion, to get the 100x, 50x. Most probably, these tokens will go out to zero. I would say 90%, 95% token will go to zero. So because these tokens are based on the mind share. So this time AIXBT is doing really well with 500 market cap. Maybe after 1 month, there is another advanced CT conversation chatbot, CT conversation AI agent comes into the market, and that creates more attention than AIXBT. Then this token money, this investment money will rotate into that token. So what is the problem with these play? If you are playing with the product, is you should be able to understand the market narrative. You have to be updated with the market. Because if you're not updated, then this money will rotate and you will have nothing into your hands. So what you have to do, you have to understand whether you are able to do this into the past times, whether you are able to rotate from one narrative to another into past year. If yes, then it's okay. You can filter, you can search, and you can invest, and you can do 10x, 15x, whatever you like. But I'm not able to do it. It's very hard to understand the market because these tokens are run by the investors. They run by the market. We are retail investors. We cannot track what's happening into the brain of investors, brain of degens, brain of institutional money. We cannot track that. What we can do is, so this is like a pump fund for AI agents. So I don't really invest into such tokens, but I personally invest into the infrastructure play. That can give me 10x, 15x, maybe 20x. So like virtuals is sitting at $4 billion and this can go up to 40 billion. So we can have like 10x. AI16Z, this can also go like 20 bill, 25 bill, who knows. So I would prefer to place my investment into the infrastructure play rather than investing into the project actually. So if I have to invest in the project, I will not be investing into Luna. Maybe I'm not investing into Y Combinator. I will not be investing it because ultimately you need somebody to manage all these things. This might go like it has 20 million. It can go up to 100 million, 200 million, but ultimately in the longer run, it will go to like zero. Maybe it go to 1 billion, but I will not be preferring it. If I have to go with the some speculative part, then I will go into funny part only. So AI and fun is really not possible. So except one coin, which is fart coin. So fart coin has some funny element. So there is no AI element into it, just fart coin. So that went up to $1.3 billion. Then that makes sense to invest into fart coin because that is funny part. That can also go to 10 billion, 15 billion, who knows, because that's funny thing. So you have to decide whether you have to invest in funny thing or you want to invest in serious things. So don't gamble into these because these are ultimately going to zero. What you have to do is you have to choose. If you want to invest into funny things that you think that mindshare will go towards the funny, just like meme, then find funny things. Fart coin is one example. You might see a new tokens coming into the market which are funny and related to AI, but just go there only. Otherwise, you can leave them. But if you want to make some less risk and more rewarding investment, but still this is not a financial advice from my end, but this is what I personally prefer. If I have to invest, then I will be investing into infrastructure. In infrastructure, I would say I will be investing into virtuals. I will be investing into AI16Z. I may invest into some AIXBT because this is hot right now, but not for the long term. I will be rotating that after 15 or 20 days or maybe 1 month. So I will not be investing into AIXBT for longer run. So I will be investing in virtuals. You can also check. So we have a new SDK is coming continuously. It's Alchemy. Alchemy is around $160 million right now, but still, I will not invest for the long term. I will invest for very short term, like 1 month or 2 months. But in virtuals, I can invest for the whole cycle. I can invest into AI-16 and virtuals for the whole cycle. I will not be investing into Luna, Y Combinator, Broad, or any product for long term, because I'm not a person who can track all the latest information, all the latest rotation from one product to another. That's not my kind of investment strategy. So I prefer to like invest and forget for at least 6 months. So then virtuals, AI-16 maybe I would prefer Alchemy, maybe Griffin. Griffin is also building SDK for that. Zerebro is also building the SDK for that. So I will be investing into those only. But I will not be investing into Luna, Y Combinator, or any AI agent listed here, Toshi, Sequoia, Game. I will not be investing here. So that's all about this AI agents video. So if you have any opinion, if you have any thoughts about the AI agents, if I have to improve my strategy, and if any narrative is coming into the market, then you can actually comment down into this video. Then we will be discussing over there. You can also join my Telegram community. It has around 800 people. And then you can actually join and we will be discussing a lot. So this is the community. We have around 775 subscribers. You can come and join and we will be discussing more about the AI agents into the Telegram chat over the YouTube comments. So see you into the next video. Thank you.